Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to recover password on Netflix. In order to recover password on Netflix, you need to follow these steps. So here, what you need to do is, in order to recover your password, you first of all need to open the Netflix app on your device and tap on the sign in button. So it's going to be located in the top right. So here, what you need to do is simply type in your email address or your confirmation, all that, or your phone number associated with your Netflix account. So let's see, this is the one. And after you're done entering the email address or phone number, select forgot password. Now it's going to redirect to the web version of it. And then if you're sure about the email address, then you simply want to go ahead and select the email and click on email me. Now a link's going to be sent to your registered email address. So all you need to do is check the mail and click on the link where you have the reset link. As soon as you click on the link, you will be redirected to a page where you could go ahead and update your password. And this is the way you could recover a password on Netflix. And along with that, next you could log into your Netflix account using a updated password. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.